Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. If you're new here, my name's Jack.F and I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor. God, I always stumble over that. Anyway, so today on the channel I'm going to do a quick tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro, how to do those cinematic black bars. Now you're probably wondering, Jack, you've got different names, cinematic black bars, telebox, fucking letterbox, black bars. No matter what it is, it's the same bloody thing. You've got black bars on the top and bottom of your footage, and you probably want to know how to do that. They do it in a lot of action films, Hollywood films, cinematic black bars. So let's jump straight to Adobe Premiere Pro and I'll show you how to do it. So once you're inside Premiere Pro, you want to get your clip into your timeline once you've done it, and you want to go over to effects in the bottom left hand corner, or to the top right, or to the top and click effects. Either way works, just different ways to access in the effects panel. So once you've got effects up, you want to go to the search bar and search crop. And once you've searched crop, drag it onto your clip, and once you've dragged it on, click the clip, effect controls, come down to where it says crop, the effect, and what we want to do, we want to pay attention to the top and bottom. That's going to literally crop our video. So what I would recommend for about cinematic black bars is probably 8 to 10%. 8% is pretty decent for leaving good headroom. If you don't have a lot of headroom in the video, maybe go down to maybe about 5. It still does the job, but it's not as effective. So I'll leave it about 8 to 10, depending on how much headroom you've got. And then same on the bottom, always keep the value the same. So if it's 10 on the top, 10 on the bottom, 8 on the top, 8 on the bottom, you don't want to have odd looking black bars. So we got 10 here, we're going to put in 10, and there we go, we have our own little cinematic black bars as we do. And then you can colour grade there. You can check out my colour grading video there. I also go over the cinematic black bars in that video, just to remind you. Anyway guys, that's just a quick little tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro and how to do the cinematic black bars in Adobe Premiere Pro. But I hope you found some value in this. If you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos on the channel to help you become a better video editor and videographer. Until next time guys, I'll see you on the next video.